This video explains step by step how to assemble an ECO and ECOPLUS packing adapter. If the slurry volume of the packing material exceeds the maximum volume of the column, a packing adapter is required. The packing adapter consists of a coupling unit and an additional glass body. For the ECO column line, the first step is to remove the upper piston from the column. Use the frit removal tool, which is delivered with every column, to remove the black snap ring from the glass body. Place the blue column coupler snap ring over the glass body. Pay attention to the correct orientation of the snap ring. Now connect the counter screw with the coupling unit. Tighten the counter screw hand tight. Take the packing adapter's glass body. Put the counter screw from the coupling unit over one end of the glass body. Next, put one spring washer first and then the blue column coupler snap ring over the glass body. Repeat this step at the other end of the glass body, but this time using the black snap ring instead. Connect the counter screw with the blue snap ring of the packing adapter with the coupling unit on the main column and tighten the counter screw hand tight. Attach the column to a laboratory stand. The column is now ready to be packed. For ECOPLUS columns, the packing adapter is assembled in a similar way. Remove the upper piston from the column. Put the column aside and take the coupling unit. Remove the counter nut from the coupling unit. Remove the column coupler counter screw and remove the column coupler snap ring. Put the counter screw first and then the column coupler snap ring over one end of the glass body of the packing adapter. Loosely screw the counter screw into the coupling unit. It is very important that it is just a loose connection and the column coupler counter screw is not tightened completely, otherwise the packing adapter cannot be closed completely. Take the ECOPLUS column and connect it to the packing adapter by closing the bayonet connection and tighten the column coupler counter screw hand tight. The column is now also ready to be packed. For more information about packing an ECO column, please check out our packing video.